Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Venue. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make a very nice PowerPoint slide with moving effect. Here I have made a PowerPoint slide. As you can see here, it is a very basic template. There is not much going on here. There are few types of flowers and their description. I have arranged them in this way. Usually we make this type of PowerPoint slide. How about giving it some kind of fancy effect? I will show you one such method where there is some moving effect. Okay, now I am going to insert a rectangle. For that, go to this shapes, select rectangle, and then insert rectangle for this entire slide. Now I am going to change this color to black. I am going to select the shape outline as no outline. Now we have to format this shape a little bit. For that, go to format shape, go to this fill. Here you can see this transparency under this solid fill. I'm going to set it as 50%. Okay, this is what you get. I will close this and zoom out this slide. Now I will stretch this rectangle beyond the slide like this. Now I am going to insert a rounded corner rectangle here. I am going to draw that shape just like this. Now I will take this rectangle out of this area and place it here. Now I have got it like this. Okay, now I am going to select this whole rectangle first. After that I will select this rounded rectangle by holding the Control key. So both are selected now. Go to this shape format and you can see this merge shapes option. In that, select subtract. See, now it has become something like this. This part is removed from the big rectangle. Next, what I am going to do here is duplicate this slide by right-clicking the mouse. I have got a duplicate slide here. Now I am going to move this rectangle towards right slowly so that this first description is highlighted. This is the first part of my slide that will be highlighted. Again, come here and duplicate this slide. Move this rectangle so that the next part of the slide will be highlighted. One more time, come here and duplicate this slide. Again, move the rectangle towards right so that the next part will be highlighted. So now we have got totally 4 slides here. Now I will apply some transition effect for all these slides. Select the second slide, go to transitions. I will apply this morph effect. I will come to the third slide and here also I will apply morph effect. Here in the fourth slide as well I will apply morph effect. So I have applied this morph transition effect to all these slides. Next, I will make some changes to each of these slides like timing, sound, etc. For the first slide, I'm not giving any sound, so no sound. Here I want the slide to advance automatically, so I will uncheck this box. Here the timing I will make as 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, it will move to the next slide. I'll come to the second slide. Let me give some sound here. I will give this chime sound. Here also uncheck this box and make it as 2 seconds. Same here in the third slide also. Chime sound and 2 seconds. Same here in the fourth slide as well. Chime sound and 2 seconds. Okay, now let us see what is the outcome. I'll do slideshow from the beginning. Okay, so this is something I have got here and it looks pretty nice, isn't it? Looks attractive than the ordinary presentation. One more time I will show how it looks. You can go on explaining each part of your presentation. So friends, I hope you all liked this video. I hope you have come to know about a new way of making PowerPoint slides. Let me know how was it through your comments. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.